Hi everybody, I'm just sat in the car. I've just got back from the shops and walking Gizmo, so I thought I would just do a live in the car because I've got lots of work to do when I get back. Just in the process of sorting out my wedding stationery business to be sold, so there's piles of things everywhere. It's amazing how much I've collected over the last 4 years that's related to my business, so I've got lots to sort out there. So I just thought I would just do a live video just to talk about some helpful tips for those of you that are maybe struggling with your business. So I'm just going to wait for a few people to connect and then I'll make a start. Please excuse the state of me, I got soaking wet today. British weather. So I'm just going to wait for a few people to get on. Hi Adrian. That's why people don't recognise me when I'm all dressed up, because I look like such a geek on these live videos. So just going to wait for a few people to get on. It might not be that busy a start on this live because it's a bit of a funny time for me to post. So if not, people can always watch the rerun anyway. So I hope you're all having a good day. Hi Stuart. So lots and lots going on in my life as well. Very, very busy with all sorts of things. So on the final few days, first of all, before the launch of Mindset Global 24. So if you've been watching my Facebook, you'll know that the Mindset Global 24, it's mindset courses, and we're paid our commissions in Bitcoin. So they actually launch in a few days' time. So I've been busy making sure the team have all got their Bitcoin wallets sorted out so they can make their transaction, and then just really sort of catching up with everybody with that, plus everything else going on with the other businesses. So fingers in a lot of pies, but it's the best way to be. I'd rather be busy than sat twiddling my thumbs waiting for sales to come in. So this live today, I just wanted to talk about really having to understand your customer to be able to get sales. So as you can imagine, once you get success on Facebook, you'll find that then a lot of people come to you with their problems, hoping that you're going to be able to help them. And obviously people know that I do educational courses, so they tend to reach out to me with the issues they've got, like they can't generate leads, or they're not really sure how to market themselves. But the main problem I'm seeing with a lot of people is you've got to really tap into what would your customer actually want from the products that you're trying to market. Because once you understand what your product does, you've got to think about what benefits has it had to you since you joined the business. What does the product actually do? The more you can understand its benefits, the more then you can start to think about how all these benefits help other people. Then you can tap into people's pains and struggles, and then you can then do your posts accordingly to draw magnetic posts to find these people, for them to watch your live videos and look at your posts and think, yes, she can help me. There's no point in just posting just general things about your business or a link. It's like if you sell, like me, if you sold an educational course like I do, if I never told you about the benefits of what this course could do to you, and if I never learnt the course and therefore showed what it's done for me, if I just said, oh, I've got this course for sale, it's like $1,000, nobody would ever buy it. They wouldn't even buy the $500 or the $250. And this is where a lot of people are making that mistake. They're buying into a business, but then they're not learning about what their business actually does to benefit them and other people, because you've got to understand what the business is all about. What does it actually do? Is it weight loss? Is it health? Is it beauty? Is it cryptocurrency? Is it educational courses? Is it a learning platform? What have you actually joined, and what was your reason? I think so many people join for the money. They don't join for any other reason apart from the money. So they get shiny object syndrome, and they'll see like an offer for this one day and then an offer for that, and they'll think, oh, I'll buy into that, and then I'll buy into that. But then they don't actually take the time to learn about the business. They don't even understand what it is that they're marketing, and then they say that they're not getting any sales. So even if you're going down the paid traffic route and you're buying like traffic to get leads in a hope that then it's going to convert with like the autoresponders to the company, and then you're saying that you're not getting any sales, you're not going to get really many sales, because if it was that easy, everyone would just be buying traffic and no one would be hustling like I am. the thing is with paid traffic is it's great because it's mass numbers, but paid traffic is just buying a lead. So it's just an email address. That person doesn't know you don't know them. They don't know anything about the business. They've literally just clicked on a link to find out more. You then have to really go back to that person and understand why they clicked on that link. What was the reason why? What are they wanting to achieve? What are they looking for? You know, have they got a specific pain or struggle that they need help with? The more you can understand what their reason behind getting in touch with you over the business is, you need to listen to their problems first to find out what it is, because then you can tailor a solution to them. But if you don't understand what they need to start with, and then you're just trying to sort of like sell them something, you're just not going to convert. And the people that aren't getting any sales are the people that don't understand what business they're actually in. So my success at the moment on Facebook is because I'm a product of the product. I've bought the training courses, I've learnt the training courses, so then I'm able to actually talk in my live videos about what I've learnt, and then I talk about how I can help other people. So it's very clear on my page what I do, why I do it, and how I can help other people. So if somebody approached me today and said, I'm not getting any interaction on my posts, Sarah, I don't know how to generate leads, how do I go about branding myself? I am that solution to all their problems. But if I'd never learnt the course to start with and I just bought it, I would never even know what was inside the course. And this is the mistake that so many people make, is they buy into a business, they never actually even look at what they've bought. They try and sell it without even learning it because they're trying to cut corners. But if you think about it in this way, I always try and simplify what I talk about. If you wanted to bake a cake, you've got all the ingredients there, but if you don't follow the recipe step by step by step by step, you're not going to get a cake at the end of it. If you miss out an ingredient or you miss out part of the recipe, you're not going to get the cake. And the business is exactly the same. If you don't have all of the platform and the tools to start with, if you haven't got a great system to start with, if then you don't follow it step by step by step by step, you're not going to get the result, which means you're not going to understand what you're selling. You're not going to understand how to market it. You're not going to understand even who your customer is. It's like if I sold health products today and somebody was approaching me saying, can I find out more about your business? I'm not going to start trying to sell them Bitcoin, am I? They've come to me because they want help with their health. So you have to really understand why they've reached out to you. What do they actually want? But by letting them open up first, it opens up the doors to maybe a different business opportunity or more than one. But don't always think that if somebody approaches you about your business, if you're in multiple businesses, they may end up going for a different one than what you originally thought. So the more questions you can ask for them to open up, the better it will be for you, because they may think that it's like a cheaper product to start with and they may go for a more expensive one, or it may be a completely different company and different brand altogether. This is why when people say to me, why are you in multiple businesses that sell courses? Do they not conflict each other? And I was like, no, because one business is 250, 500 and 1,000. The next one is 2.5 grand to 30,000. So the two complement each other, because people can buy the cheaper ones and then they can buy the more expensive ones, or they can buy both. So I'm being savvy up here by appealing to a much wider audience that maybe can't afford the expensive ones but would like the cheaper ones, and vice versa. They can start with these. If I only sold the high ticket, then there'd be all those people that could never buy from me. If I just sold the low ticket, I'm preventing myself from earning really good money. I can make a $3,000 sale, or I can make a $250 sale. It's the same length of time to talk to the customer. So I need to have those options. So you have to think about this in your business as well. What products could you have that complement the business that you're already in? If you're in like health and wellness, for example, or beauty or cryptocurrency, if you're recruiting people into your team, then you've got to think about, are they going to know how to market themselves? Are they going to understand attraction marketing? Do they know how to generate leads? Will they know how to brand themselves? The reason why I'm asking this is because you could have an additional sideline business of selling these training courses, And this is why people never realise the value of these courses, because not only can you learn them, but then you can sell them to your team because you're getting an affiliate license to resell over and over and over again. So this enables you to be able to help your team without taking up too much of your time. But then it means that then your team hit the ground running quicker. They then buy the course from you, so you've earned an extra commission. But then they can then resell the course onto their team. So it goes on and on and on and on and on. So everybody is winning. It's not about generating just the commissions from people. It's about actually genuinely helping people with what they're struggling with. So the more you can tap into this, the better. So if you're in like the health and wellness, for example, and people are struggling to lose weight, a perfect sideline for you to add would be the mindset courses, because you have to be physically having a positive mindset to lose weight. You have to be in a positive mindset to gain weight. If you're struggling with your weight in general, or your confidence, or you suffer with stress or anxiety, it's all mindset related. So if you're in any business at all that deals with those kind of people, the mindset courses would be a great complementary product. So this is why people need to open up their eyes and think that there's other ways that you can make money from the people that you're connecting with, but you're also helping them change their life. So again, you're tapping into their pains and struggles, you're helping them, but at the same time, you're generating yourself more money to be a more profitable business. So just sort of look at things with a bigger picture at times, and just don't cut your nose off to spite your face and think, well, I'm only in cryptocurrency, so this is all I can do, or I'm only in health and wellness, so this is all I can do. You can actually link two businesses very well together if you just sort of just open up your mind and just see the possibilities. So if you think that there's something like this that could help you in your business, then by all means reach out. I'm not a pressurized salesperson. I'm more than happy to go through any questions that you have. But it's amazing how much these courses will benefit anybody that sells online. So you only have to look at my Facebook page. I've only been marketing since, I first joined into affiliate marketing in May, and then I got into it properly from June of this year. So I'm very, very new. So if you look through my Facebook, you'll see all the consistency, and it is just down to me buying these courses and learning them. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. So let that be sort of some inspiration and motivation for you guys. And I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great evening. Bye.